Hey y'all, let's see what Cécred Edge Drops has done for my hair, for my edges. So I'm gonna remove the wig and let y'all see it. Don't judge me. This is the improvement in my hair from using Cécred Edge Drops. I'm on my second bottle. I'm going to insert what it looked like before this. I'm still working on it, but I just wanted to show you guys like where I am right now. Before using Cécred's Restoring Hair and Edge Drops, I was using minoxidil for, I want to say maybe a year, about there. I was using minoxidil, and I did see some improvement in my hair growth with minoxidil. But after a while, I don't know if maybe I just got a bad batch or something, but I did experiencing a little bit of burning and sores on my scalp from, I was using the mousse. From using a minoxidil product. I did at one point use like a store brand, and then I think I just used the store brand of the minoxidil foams. I was using minoxidil. I did see some improvement, but in these temple areas it still was like super duper just like skin. No, I didn't really see much hair at all. I did stop using the minoxidil, but I also stopped using minoxidil because I knew I was going to be getting in the Cécred Restoring Hair and Edge Drops, and I wanted to give Cécred a fair chance. So I stopped using the minoxidil, and I also knew that I might experience some hair shed, some hair fall. Like if you stop using it, you may see like things revert. So I was aware of that prior to using Cécred. Now when I started using Cécred, I don't know if I really saw that I had hair loss from minoxidil. I don't recall that. So yeah, if you want to know if you're going to experience that, everyone is different, so I can't say that I experienced hair loss like when I stopped taking using minoxidil, but shortly after using minoxidil, I did start using Cécred. So I just wanted to share my experience so far with the Cécred Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. And this is definitely one of those sensitive type of areas. So I just wanted to share my own hair journey and, dealing with kind of like health issues that could cause hair loss and hair thinning. I just wanted to share like how I am going about restoring mine. So yeah, so I just wanted to be vulnerable, show you guys where I was and where I am, and what I have been doing. I shaved my hair off in January 2025, and I just been wearing like wigs, but underneath the wigs I do take care of my hair. I have been using primarily, I want to say probably all just Cécred products, and trying to give myself like a little routine of doing my rice and rose protein treatments every 4 to 6 weeks, followed by a deep moisturizing conditioner. If I don't do the rice and rose protein treatments, I will do like the reconstructive treatment or just deep moisture, whatever my hair needs at the time. So that's what I've been doing. I do plan on coming back. I am on my second bottle of Cécred Hair and Restoring Edge Drops. That's a tongue twister for me, but I'm on my second bottle. I have one more bottle in my stash, so once I finish that third bottle, I think I'll hop back on here and just show you guys where I am with my hair. So thanks for watching. Bye.